In this section, we will continue to multiply polynomials. As a quick recap, to multiply polynomials, we multiply each term of the first polynomial with each term of the second polynomial, simplify by combining like terms, and write the polynomial in standard form. For example, to multiply 6x minus 4 to the second power, remember that anytime an expression is squared, that expression is multiplied by itself. So this equals to 6x minus 4 times 6x minus 4. Then we multiply each term of the first polynomial to each term of the second polynomial, starting with the 6x. 6x times 6x, 6x times negative 4, then negative 4 times 6x, and negative 4 times negative 4. 6x times 6x, 6 times 6 is 36, x times x is x squared. 6x times negative 4, 6 times negative 4 is negative 24, and we have the x. Negative 4 times 6x, same thing, negative 4 times 6 is negative 24. Once again, we got the x. Negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. Then we combine our like terms, which are the negative 24x and negative 24x, and our final result is 34x squared minus 48x plus 16. Next, let's multiply 7x minus 5 times 7x plus 5. So once again, when multiplying polynomials, multiply the first term and the second term of the first polynomial to the first term and the second term of the second polynomial. 7x times 7x is 49x to the second power. 7x times 5 is positive 35x. Negative 5 times 7x is negative 35x. Negative 5 times 5 is negative 25. Combine like terms, positive 35 and negative 35x is 0, so our result will be 49x to the second power minus 25. Next example, let's multiply x squared plus 3x minus 4 times the quantity x minus 6. So each term of the first polynomial will multiply to each term of the second polynomial, starting with the x squared. X squared times x is x to the third power. X squared times negative 6 is negative 6x squared. 3x times x is positive 3x squared. 3x times negative 6, that's negative 18x. Finally, negative 4 times x is negative 4x, and negative 4 times negative 6 is positive 24. Let's combine our like terms. We have x cubed, negative 6x squared, and positive 3x squared will be negative 3x squared. Negative 18 and negative 4x, that's negative 22x, and we have plus 24.